Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the PureNeedle ESD Stylus Brush Pro, a premium anti-static stylus cleaning brush designed specifically for turntables. Vinyl enthusiasts know that the secret to a pristine listening experience isn't just the record itself, but the care taken before and after each play. That's exactly where this tool comes in. The PureNeedle ESD Stylus Brush Pro is crafted with a dual-fiber design, combining conductive and synthetic bristles. These work together to remove static and microdust simultaneously, which means fewer pops, crackles, and unwanted noise during playback. The brush is gentle enough to preserve the delicate stylus tip while still providing effective cleaning, helping extend the life of your cartridge and ensuring consistent sound quality. One standout feature is its conductive handle made of ESD-safe resin, which allows for fast, stable discharge of static electricity. This is crucial because static buildup on the stylus can significantly affect playback and audio fidelity. The brush operates without any liquids, relying entirely on its dry cleaning structure, so you don't risk chemical residue or potential damage to your stylus. The brush is also universally compatible, fitting all cartridge types and stylus shapes, making it a versatile tool for any turntable setup. It's ergonomically designed, with a balanced handle that gives you precise control over cleaning motions. Every stroke is intentional, maintaining the integrity of your stylus while reducing dust transfer from records. For maximum results, it's best used alongside its complementary product, the Pure Groove Clean ESD Record Brush Pro. While Pure Groove takes care of the record surface, PureNeedle focuses on the stylus itself. Together, they form a complete vinyl care system that helps reduce dust, maintain sound clarity, and support stable stylus-to-groove contact. This routine not only improves the listening experience but also extends the life of both records and stylus. The PureNeedle ESD Stylus Brush Pro measures 4.7 by 0.79 by 0.29 inches and weighs just over half an ounce, making it compact and easy to handle. It's engineered by Matrix ESD, a company specializing in ESD control and high-fidelity brush design, ensuring this isn't just another gimmick but a tool designed with precision in mind. In summary, if you're a vinyl collector, audiophile, or anyone serious about preserving your records and stylus, the PureNeedle ESD Stylus Brush Pro offers an essential step in your maintenance routine. It's simple, effective, and engineered to enhance your listening experience without unnecessary extras. Treat your stylus with care, and your vinyl will reward you with pristine sound for years to come. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to catch our next in-depth review.